Hi, I'm TakiyahLouise. Thanks for clicking through to view this video of me reviewing and demoing the Revlon Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler. Now, I've been rocking with this blow dryer for quite some while now, and I just couldn't wait to do a review on it after I figured out things that I liked about it. Now, it's a very lightweight unit, and it's got the airflow travels through the barrel and out the bristles here. The bristles here are very flexible, and there's like a cushion in the middle of there where the bristles are based off of, and the bristles themselves have these pink caps on them which prevent scratching of the scalp or snagging of the hair. Now, this particular unit down here, it has the off, cool, low, and high settings, and it just switches off like this. And I really like this unit because it's lightweight, it's very easy to use, as you'll see in my demo. And when I use this particular product, I do use it on high because I'm not afraid of getting heat damage, and that's because of the products that I use. Now, if you've seen my previous video, 6 Steps to Natural Hair That Lasts, you'll see that I use the Kenra ThermaShape Styling Cream and the Kenra Blow Dry Spray. Now, what you'll see me do in the video is smooth some of the some of the KMS cream throughout my hair, and then I'll blow dry it. And then when I'm done with completely done with a section, then I'll go in with the Kenra Blow Dry Spray, spritz it on my hair, and then blow dry it just for a sleeker look. And it really helps to block humidity and make your hairstyles last. So if you haven't seen my 6 Steps to Natural Hair That Lasts video, go ahead and check that out after this one. And I did want to say that I'm doing this intro and my outro a little bit later than after I blew out my hair. So my hair's a little bit calmer now. I just had it back in a bun, and you can just see that it's very free flowing and very sleek. And it just feels really, really good. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the demo. So let's get started. And there you have it. You just saw me demo the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer Styler, and you just saw how easy it was for me to use. It's literally just brushing your hair. And then you got the blow dry aspect, so it's drying your hair at the same time. So easy. It's way easier to use than the Conair 187 styler that I used to use as well, because this one with the comb attachment, sometimes it would pop off in the middle of me trying to get through a section of hair. As you can see, I'm missing a tooth on here. I've had to replace this blow dryer twice just because I wanted to get new combs and I couldn't figure out where to get new combs online. So I invested in this blow dryer a total of 3 times just to get new combs, and one of them actually completely blew out on me. But with this Revlon, the bristles are flexible, so there's no likelihood that they'll break. And then there's also like a cushion aspect to it, so it flexes with your hair as you're going through the strands. Now, I mean, there's just really not much more else that I can say about it other than I love it, and I'm sorry that I didn't use it sooner. Another thing that I wanted to share with you today is what's going to be in my next video, and it's going to be me demoing the Baby Brush Crush from the Dry Bar. I'm just going to see if I can get my hair sleeker, how much sleeker I can get it, because with the Revlon, I did get it straight. Is it bone straight? No. Is it straight and, you know, movable, flexible? Yes. Am I happy with the results from the blow dry? Yes. It's just overall a nice look. It moves, it flexes, it feels good, and it's just overall wonderful. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how much sleeker I can get my hair with that Dry Bar Baby Brush Crush. And I hope that you join me in my next video. Please subscribe, like, comment on this video. I'd love to hear your opinions. And if you've used the Revlon or even the Conair, or if you have an even better product that you'd like me to try out, I will consider that as well. Thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing and sticking with me. I know I've been away for a while, but I'm back with some fresh content, and I hope that you stick around. Until the next video, take care.